In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter expenses in Zoho Books, a crucial task for any business owner looking to manage their finances effectively. We'll go through each step in detail to ensure you can navigate the platform with confidence and efficiency. First things first, you need to head over to the Zoho Books website. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter the web address www.zoho.com/books. This is your starting point for accessing all the features that Zoho Books has to offer. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, you can just enter your details and continue. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to pause here and create one before proceeding. After you've signed in, you'll be greeted by the Zoho Books home screen. It's from here that you can access all the different functionalities of the platform. Now locate the Purchases section. It's usually found in the menu on the left hand side of your screen. Clicking on Purchases will give you access to various purchase related options. Next, you should see a New button. This button is crucial as it allows you to enter new data, such as expenses, into your records. Click on it. Doing so will bring up a new screen dedicated entirely to recording expenses. Now that you're on the record expense screen, it's time to enter the details of your expenses. Here, you'll need to fill in the necessary fields with information about the expense, such as the amount, date, and description. Be as detailed as possible to ensure your records are accurate and easy to understand in the future. Once you've entered all the information, take a moment to review it and make sure everything is correct. Errors here could lead to confusion later, so double checking is a good habit to develop. Finally, locate the Save button. After reviewing your data, clicking Save will ensure that all your hard work is securely stored in Zoho Books. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Alt+S to save your data quickly. This can save you time in the long run, especially if you're entering multiple expenses. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully entered an expense into Zoho Books. It's a straightforward process, but it forms a fundamental part of managing your business's finances. Keeping track of expenses not only helps in budgeting, but also ensures that you have a clear picture of your business's financial health. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep practicing, and soon, entering expenses into Zoho Books will feel like second nature.